And all I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater, let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds, but my gravity centered. Touch my neck and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. Oh, sometimes the silence guides the mind to move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to raise the minute that my left hand meets your waist. And then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue cause you love the taste, yeah.
That arm is dense, boy.
Heart is for, inside this place is warm. Outside it starts to pour. Coming down, one love, two mouths, one love, one house.
So we're working like the bottom portion, which for me is my 100%. And then working on all the way.
No shirt, no blouse, just us, you find out. Nothing that we don't.
This is like so important.
It feels really weird, but once you get off, it's gonna feel nice.
You about no, cause it's too cold.
After the next set, when we're struggling, we're gonna do like, when we're done, just like wrap it out. 25. What I want you to focus on is not trying to attract butterflies, but trying to work on your garden so the butterflies have no choice but to come.
That's a bar right there. That's fire.
Because we're so focused on like pleasing others and stuff like that, but I feel like we gotta just focus on ourselves and be true to ourselves, be authentic, follow our morals, virtues, everything we believe in, and then you will attract those people, because that's a thing in this world, like energies attract. Because you always find what you're looking for, but for most of you people, like, you're looking for reasons to be sad, depressed, upset, not good enough. It's all in the mind.
It's too cold.